No. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back. If you're new here, you're welcome. If coming back, good to have you back. And my name is Julie. So welcome back to Julie's Kitchen. Julie's Kitchen. Julie's Kitchen. Hey, Julie's Kitchen. Okay, anyway, I hope you all doing well. So today I'm here with another recipe. I'm going to try and make some chicken and rice, right? Buffalo chicken and rice, right? So I have all the ingredients here that I'm gonna need today. So let me show you guys what we're gonna need to make this buffalo chicken. We're gonna start with the chicken. I'm just gonna wash it. So we just need 6 of these. So I'm just gonna wash it. Okay. I'm gonna wash the chicken now, guys. And then I'm gonna put it in my baking tray. It's actually 6 boneless chicken thigh. So that's 6. I'm gonna season it with a bit of salt, and I have some melted butter here. I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons on it. But you can use any fat, any healthy fat. You can use oil. If you don't have butter, you can use oil. Yeah, so I just put the chicken in the baking tray and add a bit of salt and butter. You can add oil if you don't like butter. You can add a bit of oil, 2 tablespoons of oil. So I put 2 tablespoons of butter. Right. So put this in the oven for 20 minutes and put on the 200 degree. Depend of your oven though. 20 minutes for our chicken in the oven. Okay, while that is cooking, we're gonna make our sauce. While the chicken is cooking, we're gonna make our sauce. So we're gonna measure 2 of this cup. This 1/3. So we need 2/3 of the mayonnaise. I'm just gonna measure it here. This one. You can use any mayonnaise you have at home, guys. This is the one I'm using. Mayonnaise here, and we're gonna add 3 tablespoons of hot pepper. 2. You can add more if you like spicy though. Just putting 3 tablespoons of hot pepper. I'm using Frankie Red Hot pepper, and then 1 teaspoon of Cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon, and then half teaspoon of paprika, half teaspoon. So we go half teaspoon of garlic, and then half of black pepper, and lastly you need white vinegar. You're gonna put 1 tablespoon of that. Just 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. So we're gonna mix everything together. So we're gonna wash our rice. So just 1 cup of rice, guys. 1 cup of rice. No, just put it in the pot. Picture is not full. So this is our chicken. Chicken is ready. Been cooking for 20 minutes. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take it and slide it into small cube. So just slide all our 6 chicken there. So you guys, I've been cooking the chicken. So this is just the sauce from the grilled chicken was in the oven. I'm gonna put in the cup. Open the cup and just set aside. And still cutting my chicken. So cut your chicken in tubes, like small pieces. You guys see what I'm doing? Literally just cutting the chicken into pieces, small cube or whichever way you want to cut it. So our rice been cooking. So our rice is literally ready. Look, it's ready. You can see it's ready. Then what we're gonna do? We're gonna get the rice and put in the tray that we baked our chicken on. So we're gonna put the rice in there. We're gonna put our rice here. Rice. So we put everything in there. So just make everything looks flat. That's our rice there. In the meantime, we're gonna get our chicken, our sliced chicken. So we're gonna put it in the bowl. So our rice is well done there. What we're gonna do next is, this is our sauce from the our sauce from the fridge. So we're gonna put in the large bowl here. Let's put our sauce, the sauce that we made earlier. We put in the large bowl. The sauce in there. And then we're gonna add our chicken, our sliced chicken inside the sauce. I can't wait to try. I can't wait to try this. Can't wait to try this, guys. If the food looks nice to you, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, guys. Don't forget to give thumbs up. So we're gonna turn our chicken, just stir it with the sauce. So that's it. That's our chicken there. Before I put the chicken inside here, we got a cup of celery here. This is a sliced celery. So we're just gonna put it on top of the rice. And then next step, our chicken is stirred there. So now we're gonna put our chicken on top of the rice. We're gonna put our chicken on top of the rice now. There we are. It's looking nice already, guys. It's looking so nice already. So put all the sauce in there. Right, here we go. make sure the chicken is covered all the rice. So now our chicken is in there. So we're gonna put the leftover of the sauce from the grilled chicken. Just put it on top. Just put it like that. And then we're gonna get our blue cheese. We're just gonna cut some of the blue cheese. You see, it's like this blue cheese. And I'm just gonna put it on top of our chicken rice, our buffalo chicken rice. Let's put all over. It's optional. If you don't like cheese, skip this stage. Skip it. I mean, don't put the cheese. Now we finished putting our cheese. We're just gonna finish off by putting a little bit of cayenne pepper on the side, on top of it. Not too much. Just put it around. Okay. There we go. So now we're gonna put it back in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. So our chicken is in the oven. We're gonna leave it for 15 to 20 minutes now. Then we come back, check it. So guys, this is this is so good. It looks so good. So to finish off, I'm gonna just put some of the celery on top. This is good. Guys, look at this. It smells so good. So our food's ready. So we're gonna try it now. This is nice. It smells so good. Right. Let's try this chicken, buffalo chicken and rice, guys. Look at that. Look at this, man. I'm so excited. Let's try together. The first bite goes to you. Right. This is nice. This is nice. I know who's gonna love it more. This is nice, and the spicy and everything just. I think I have to try this with pasta and see. This is good, man. Let's just take. I can't even stop. I can't stop eating. Guys, we've tried the buffalo chicken and rice and we baked it. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to like and share and subscribe for more video. Thanks for watching and God bless you. Bye.